Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have an unboxing video for you guys, and this is like a little swap with PaperBowLover that I did. So she is PaperBowLover on Instagram and her name is Nancy. So she was actually so kind enough to send me some Dollar Tree yarn because I couldn't find any. So thank you so much, Nancy, for sending me some. And then she sent it as Happy Mail, but I really just wanted to thank her, and then we just decided to do like a little swap. But I obviously wanted to send her a little bit more, and hopefully I did, because I have no idea what's in this box yet. And hopefully I did send you more, because I just wanted to say thank you so much and show you how appreciative I am. That's a hard word to say. So yes, thank you so much. And all right, guys, let's see what's in this box from Nancy. Okay, so when I open this up, I see some tissue paper, and then thank you so much for sending me this yarn. So I didn't know if I wanted the blue, because originally when I saw people post the blue, it looked like a dark blue, not like a turquoise. And then I saw other people, like, as it got more popular and more people were posting, and then I was like, oh my gosh, it's turquoise, and I didn't get any turquoise because I originally asked her for the other 5 colors and not this one, because I thought it was like a dark blue and I didn't want it. So thank you so much for going back and getting some of this for me. I appreciate it so much. So she sent me that, and then in here we got the tissue paper to kind of hold it all in place. I see a little card here. How cute! I love your use of thickers. I never think of like doing that. Let's see what this card says. Oh, I ripped it. I was trying so hard not to rip it, and then it stuck to my finger. Oh my gosh, this is such a cute card. Little strawberry, and I was recently making some strawberry cards. Aww. So it says, here's a little something I made. First time doing a 3D SVG. I'm also trying to layer more. I hope you like it. And the teal Dollar Tree trim. Thanks for swapping with me. Oh my gosh, girl. I am so happy that you decided to try out like a 3D project on me. Oh my gosh, that is just so amazing. So thank you so much. I know I'm going to love it. Oh, and she gifted me some of these. I just got this die recently. Girl, I love these. And you use the Sunny Days paper collection. Oh my gosh, I love them. I didn't think of like cutting this one over here, but that is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love these. So she saw mine and she was like, you may have to embellish them more. Like, girl, these don't need any embellishing. They're so cute. The only thing I might do is like add in like some thread in these little holes, but oh my gosh, yes. Wow, that's so awesome that you got this die too. I love them so much, and I love gold glitter, and it's just, everything is just so cute. Thank you so much. And then I guess this is her 3D project. So I'm gonna take this out. I don't wanna ruin it, but I'm gonna move the box out of the way. And let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh, she made the cute little milk cartons in the box. Oh wow. This is stunning, girly. Thank you so much, Nancy. Oh, I love this. I haven't made this yet either. It's on my list, but oh my goodness, I have one. It's so going onto my display case. Like, this is so stinking cute. I love your trim. Oh my gosh, I love this trim so much. So cute. So she used Sunny Days, and it's so fun because I'm actually using Sunny Days right now for another swap. Oh my god, I love it. I love how you decorated this. I love how you use gold glitter. Oh my gosh, I love your little cluster of layering here, and I love that little paper in the back that you like, I forgot what it's called. You like use like a strip of paper and you, I don't know what it is, but you like fold it and stuff, and okay, you guys know what I'm talking about. Oh my god, it's so cute. Did you like print and cut some of these too? I'm thinking you print and cut some of these because they're so stinking cute. Oh, I love it. Oh, this is such a cute bow. I love how you did a whole bunch of gold. Girl, this is amazing. I didn't even open this yet, but it is amazing. I need to make one of these now too. It is so cute. Let me just check the time because I know I have to go back to work soon. All right, I still got 10 minutes. Okay, so let's open up this little guy right here. Like, I don't know if I should be zooming in or zooming out. Okay, so easy. I decided to switch to my phone for filming. Oh my God, she sent me a whole bunch of bows, girly. Oh my goodness, this is a lot of bows. That was a lot of work. Wow. I started doing that for you and I was like, okay, how many bows could I possibly send over? And then I just decided to include rosettes. And I also wanted to make rosettes anyway, so it just fit in. Oh my goodness, look at all of these bows. This is actually great because I'm playing with a Sunny Days paper collection now for a swap, and I could add like some of these to that project because they're gonna match. Oh my gosh, look how cute these are. Is this the pink and mane bow die? Or no, I don't think it is actually because I think the pink and mane is stitched. But these are so cute. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. You definitely stocked me up on bows. I love them and I love adding bows to projects, so I really appreciate that. That's like one of those things that I love getting because I just use them all the time. So thank you so much for sending me some bows. I'm just gonna put that back in there. I didn't even take a picture of this. I'm gonna have to like, oh my gosh, where did my string go? Oh, is it in here? And did you guys see this cute little decoration up here? I love it. Oh my God, that rosette is adorable. Oh, I think you had a rosette and you die cut it. Yes, such a great idea. Love those little gemmies in gold. And the little swimsuit. Oh, I love this so much. But for real, where did my string go? Oh my goodness, I don't know what I did with it. Oh, here it is. Okay, here's another one. This is her decoration on top. And she used this paper here. So when you open this up, oh my gosh, more bows! Oh my God, you really hooked me up with these bows, and these are so stunning too. Did you make these? Wait, where is this material from? Did you make this? I need that material in my life. I need all of this material in my life. Look at this gorgeous pink. Oh my goodness, I love this. And then there's another gold that's a little bit less yellow gold. Oh my goodness, I love these. Please tell me where you got this material. I need to order some right after this video. I'm just gonna message you because I was just talking to you. So I'm gonna message you and ask you. Oh my gosh, I love it. Thank you. Then the other two, here's the next one that she decorated. Got some layering over here. I love like the gold glitter. I love how you layered that too. So let's see this, what's in here. Uh-oh, it's like this little bottle. And she gifted me some sequins. They're like iridescent gold sequins. Thank you so much. Wait, I think there's another thing in here. Oh, there's another one. Ah. Okay, hold on. I think that's it. Yeah, and then this crinkle. Oh, these are so pretty. Like these pink little stars. You guys see that? Like I can't even see what I'm seeing, like what you guys are seeing in my phone. So I hope I'm in like frame. I mean, I kind of could see. Oh, and look, there's like glitter in here too. Ooh, prettyful. Thank you so much. And then here's her last one. And this is how she has decorated this one with a star. She got the shell. It says, "Say yes to adventure." So cute. And there's like a label that she put behind that. I really love that you added gold glitter paper. It's so cute. I really just love that. Okay. Oh no! One popped off. Hold on. Let's put it back. I'm gonna hot glue that because I'm gonna display this. Oh my God, she made me these teeny tiny rosettes. Oh my gosh, she hooked me up again. Girly. Wow, thank you so much. Is this that Tim Holtz die? And then you just cut them down to be smaller because they are so stinking cute. I don't do that enough. And thank you so much for sending me mini ones, because I don't have any mini ones. I have like one. I haven't made mini ones. So thank you so much. I love these. Oh my goodness, girl. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for swapping with me and for sending me all this happy mail. Nancy, for real, thank you so much. You hooked me up. I love it all. Thank you, thank you. I appreciate you. And I cannot wait for you to get your package tomorrow because I'm so excited. So thank you again, and I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye.